Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit text size on Telegram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your Telegram, then make sure that your account is logged into it, okay? Then after that, go ahead and click on settings. So settings is on the lower right side of your screen. And then scroll down until you see appearance. So just go ahead and click appearance. And then here you can see text size. So just go ahead and click that. And then just need to toggle the switch off this use system text size. So just turn that off so you can adjust the text size. So here, as you can see, you have 7 different text sizes options. So just go ahead and choose whatever text size that you want. And then if you want this big, just go ahead and click set. So as you can see, the text size here is bigger. So if you want to bring it back to the system size, just go ahead and click again on settings, appearance, and then text size. Then just go ahead and turn this switch on, the use system text size. So just click set. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.